Alright, good morning and welcome back. It is day number 3 here on the Carnival Mardi Gras, and we are pulling up to Cozumel, Mexico. Check this out. We are almost here. We're supposed to be arriving and able to get off around 10 a.m., so a little bit later than some other ports. But it is a gorgeous day already. The sea is calm as it can be, all the way around. And we are getting ready to get off this boat. Well, we're going to have some breakfast and then we're going to get off this boat and go explore. Gorgeous. We are coming on in. Looks like we're joined today by some friends, and it's Radiance of the Seas, and I can't quite tell who that is beside her, but it looks like pretty much the exact same ship, so maybe it's Brilliance, maybe? But we are almost here. That sun is tight and bright. Welcome to Mexico! Looks like we're joined here by the Carnival Breeze. First look at Cozumel. Alright, the mystery solved. That is Brilliance of the Seas, which is what I assumed, with her sister Radiance over there. Those old girls ain't gonna be around too much longer. Here's we got to go through like a little mall area here. It's reminds me, I think that was Aruba. We had to do that, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, this makes total sense. Let's herd thousands of people through a tiny little mall before they get off, as they get off the ship. Holy overload! Interesting. So we're kind of taking it all in here, just wandering around. There's a lot. That was a lot to get off the ship. Like, that was a whole lot to get off the ship. Having to go through that little tight mall with thousands and thousands of people, that was... I know why they did that, but it's not great for guests. There is a lot of people in this port area, and trying to navigate with a stroller and then somebody on a scooter. This is a little difficult. We're getting there. Alright, currently in line for a taxi. We're gonna leave here and go downtown. Alright, we just got out of the taxi. We're down here in downtown. We got the Disney Dream here with us today. And the first thing we came across is a Bath & Body Works and a Carl's Jr. Real authentic. Alright, this area is much calmer. It's actually really nice through here. Got like a little center square. I mean, you've got a lot of American shops and all, but it's still much, much calmer right through here. Having fun. Well, this is a nice little street. It's slightly amazing how much less busy it is down here in the downtown area compared to where we were at. Check out this guy. Alright, so the first like 15 minutes when we got off the boat, when we were in the port area, I was really concerned about how this was going and wasn't really vibing at all. But now that we're out here in downtown, I actually really like this. Like, this is really calm, it's chill. I feel very safe, it's not sketchy. I actually really like it. Mexican food in Mexico. Holy crap, that's a drink. And that's the cost of a normal one in the US. Tacos. Alright, totally authentic Mexican lunch is done. And now we're just going to do some souvenir shopping and then head back to the ship. And just like that, we are back at the port. I'll rummage through here. It's a lot less people now than there was earlier. Alright, this port area is not nearly as bad now that the masses of people have come off the ship and have kind of dispersed, but it was very chaotic this morning around here, so not quite as bad now. Still definitely overpriced right here compared to if you get, you know, out into the town a little bit, so just something to remember. Now we gotta go back to this stupid mall so we can get back towards the ship. I don't like this though. All right, time warp moving around here. Me and Ed are gonna go try the ropes course up here. There's nobody up here, so it seems like a good time. Me and Ed just did the ropes course. That was actually pretty fun. We're really the only ones up here. We got a great view of all of our friends here in port and the water and Cozumel in general. That worked out great. I'll tell you what, it is a gorgeous day here on the Carnival Mardi Gras. It is 84 degrees outside. It's sunny. It's gorgeous. You wouldn't even believe it's February right now. And we found the original Mardi Gras. The size difference is incredible. Time warp, headed down for dinner now. Have no idea what the theme of tonight's dinner is, but we're gonna go find out and see if it's any good. Got some jambalaya tonight. Chicken and swordfish tonight. That looks good. And key lime pie to top it off. Look at that gorgeous sunset. Sunsets at sea just hit different. And then bye-bye Cozumel. See you next time. Alright, so weird twist. Dinner happened. Lily just started crying. She refused to eat. Paid for a difficult dinner. So we kind of cut everything short there, took her back to the room, got her to bed. She never napped today, so she was just super tired. So I am back out. I'm actually hiding some ducks right now because we're way behind on that, given how things have gone so far to start the cruise. And then I'm going to catch a show coming up here in a little bit. So we'll see how the rest of the night goes. It's been a weird turn of events since we got back on the ship, but the rest of the night's going to be good. Alright, let's see what Vegas Nights is all about here at Grand Central. It's an interesting design of a venue. There's really not a lot of seating. It really kind of reminds me of 270 on the Quantum class ships. Same idea, kind of. The screen folds out so you can see the ocean. Interactive screens, not a lot of seating, at least traditional. Alright, just finished the Las Vegas themed show. There's a lot going on in it, and it definitely continued to remind me of 270 with Odyssey, because again, it's like, unless you have the front like 3 rows, you can't half see the show, which is frustrating. It's just a poor design whenever somebody made that venue. They're trying to squeeze something into space that it really shouldn't be squeezed into. But nevertheless, it was entertainment. There was a lot going on in it, so it was really hard to follow, especially not being able to see everything very well. And sorry for the music, as always. Everywhere on the ship there's music, there's nowhere quiet. But that was the entertainment for tonight, so I think that's probably it. I might go try to catch this Family Feud thing, so we'll see. Alright, we popped over here after all. I don't think I'm going to be able to record this because it's supposed to be rated R, but I'm going to see how this goes. Also, side note, we are swaying a ton tonight. Like, a All right, so as I figured, could not record during that, but I will say that was hilarious. Jackie Tang, the cruise director on this ship, he is hilarious. I would give him a lot of credit. He's doing a great job. He's definitely been one of the highlights from so far what I've seen. But I've actually made it up here to the pool deck. There's nothing going on tonight. There's no music. It is 12:30. But we're gonna call it a night. We are gonna wake up, be in Costa Maya tomorrow. No real plan once again. Get off, explore, and we'll see how it is. So come on back, join us for that one, and let's get into Costa Maya next.